Hey guys, this is a video of the SMC U-42 ceiling fan. This time, it has a new capacitor, and I've also cleaned up the pull chain. So, let's start on high. Okay, yeah, the lighting out here, because it's outside, the camera makes it look. Let's go to medium. This is medium, right? Yes. Sorry about all the noise. Let's go to low. Let's turn it off. Spin down is fast. The bearings are still good, but spin down is fast because the blades are very lightweight. So looks pretty good from this angle. Stop bothering with that. So it's rusty. It's very rusty, as you can see. But I'm gonna leave it rusty because this brass, I can't really replicate that very easily. And I'm not gonna risk damaging the finish, so I'm just gonna leave it this way. So this was Power Cat. Thanks for watching. Bye.